guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. So today in my video I'm gonna show you guys 5 tips for a better desk. So let's get started with the video. So my first tip is to use a small notice board that you can hang in front of your desk. So whenever you come to your desk, you can see your notice board and you can actually use this notice board to just pin up tasks or messages that you need to remember, and once you see your notice board, you will remember that you have to do those tasks. So my second tip is for the people who find it really difficult to keep their jewelry tidy. So for that, you can use such a box and just hang it on your wall, and all you need to do is to just take some paper clips and you can use those as hangers to keep all your jewelry neat and tidy. Okay, so my third tip is you can use some small containers to keep your stationery like really organized, like separately, like paper clips, bookmarks. So you can use various sizes like small and large. So I'm using this large container to store my binder clips so that it's easy for me when I need those stationery and it stays really organized. Okay, so the next tip is you can keep some motivational quotes that really motivate you on your desk. So I used to keep some on my desk, and my favorite one is this with a flamingo. And I really love this because it really motivates me to do my work. And also you can just hang such quotes on your wall as well, and it's better if you can be a bit creative, so you can add you can spice up your room as well. So my final tip is gonna tell you how you can create your own whiteboard on your desk. So for that you need a transparent plastic sheet like this and a small piece of blue tack. So all you need to do is to just take the plastic sheet to your desk using the blue tack. So then you can use it as the whiteboard, or like, for example, a to-do list or anything that you want. And also it's better to use this type of a whiteboard because it's really erasable. So those are the tips that I have to give you all today. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you really did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you could maybe click the subscribe button, that would be so awesome, so you can get all my new videos. And also please comment down below which tip did you like the most and which tip do you think was the most effective to use. So once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and be sure to give it a big thumbs up. So I'll meet you in my next video.